Let me ask you a question. How much revenue did your DME or pharmacy business lose last year? Not to bad decisions, not to slow sales, but to denied claims, missed refills, and software that was built 20 years ago and never caught up. If you don't know the number, that's the problem. And it's exactly the problem BFLOW was built to solve. BFLOW is workflow software designed from the ground up using AI. Not AI bolted onto a legacy system as an afterthought. AI at the core from day one. That's what separates BFLOW from every legacy platform on the market. While other systems make you work around their limitations, BFLOW works the way your business actually runs. It starts with the patient CRM. Every patient's demographics, billing history, insurance details, and documentation live in one place. No more hunting through 3 different systems to answer one simple question. Your team sees the full picture instantly. Then there's the automated claims module. This is where BFLOW becomes your secret weapon. The system remembers your claims. It learns your billing patterns. And when a patient is due for a resupply, BFLOW generates the refill automatically. No sticky notes, no spreadsheets, no revenue slipping through the cracks because someone forgot to follow up. And compliance? In this industry, compliance isn't optional. One failed audit can undo years of hard work. BFLOW is built to keep you compliant at every step, so the revenue you've earned stays earned. You fought for every dollar. BFLOW helps you keep it. Here's the bottom line. BFLOW is feature-rich, but it's not complicated. It's built for the modern DME provider and the modern pharmacy. Businesses that are done patching old software. Businesses that are ready to scale and ready for a platform partner that grows with them. Because that's what BFLOW really is. Not just software, a solution partner. When you win, we win. It's that simple. So if you're tired of leaving money on the table, tired of fighting your own systems, and ready to see what a purpose-built, AI-driven platform can do for your business, it's time to see BFLOW in action. Visit us online and schedule your demo today. BFLOW, built for the way you work, ready for the way you grow.